Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today we're heading over to Riverside to check out a historical hotel that's been around for quite some time, and I hear the architecture of the place is really amazing, so let's take a mini day trip and check it out. With wings! Pretty awesome. We just got done with a tour over at the Mission Inn. It's really beautiful. Now we're just exploring a little bit, and this is an amazing view. Look at this. All the different architectures. Now you can't take any photos or videos during the tour, but if you want to explore afterwards, you totally can. Just check this out. architecture of this place is really amazing. I would definitely recommend checking it out, even for an hour or two, just to take a look at it. It is modeled after the missions of California, the way they are built, but this is in no way an actual mission. It's just modeled after it. But it's truly amazing. Now the chapel is closed to the general public, but if you take the tour, you could actually go inside it during that time. It's a good day at the Mission Inn. Now let's get some grub, because I'm starving. Dessert. Time to go home. Alright friends, there you have it, our day trip to the Mission Inn in Riverside, California. It's a pretty amazing place to see, especially with the architecture. Now it was modeled after the missions here in California, which they are in no way related, just in the way of looks and structure. And just being able to walk around the downtown area and happening upon the farmers market and the Charles Dickens festival. So which was pretty cool to see all the lovely people in their Victorian costumes and just enjoying their time there. So it was a really good day all around. Now, if you're planning to go to the Mission, you could definitely explore around while you're there. If you have a couple of hours, I would recommend the tour, which is given by docents, and they'll give you a lovely history rundown of the place, and as well as giving access to certain rooms that are not available to the general public. I do want to come back later this year to check out their holiday lights, which they're pretty known for as well. So we'll definitely be coming back another time this year. And if you want to plan your own trip to downtown Riverside, to the Mission Inn, or any of the places that we visited today, I will put the links in the description below so you can find out all the information you need for your trip. Thank you so much once again for joining me. I hope you had a really good time. I know I did. If you want to see more just like it, you know what to do. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more adventures to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.